immVest International Limited and welcome to our offices in Smart City. At immVest International, we provide different citizenship and permanent residency programs for different countries. However, we do make a special focus for residency and citizenship programs for the Maltese Islands. We are an official accredited agent licensed by Community Malta and provide SaaS services. Our team is equipped with knowledgeable and experienced people to guide you during this important process. We are happy to provide you with such services and guide you through the process. Our team will be present at the Bosco conference in Dubai between the 27th and the 29th of September. We look forward to seeing you there and provide you with any information.